This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, June 18th, classic summer day. Hit and miss showers and storms. Most neighborhoods dry. Some neighborhoods getting soaked. Now let's go in there and take a look at the Skycam shots around the network. First off, this is the view coming from Trussville, northeast of Birmingham. You can see those towering cumulus clouds. A few have developed into storms. That's the inverted Skycam. Pretty much the same deal there. And on the Alabama Gulf Coast, things looking good this afternoon. The sky mostly sunny. They actually had a few scattered storms down there this morning, and look at that. That's a waterspout over Mobile Bay, as seen from Fort Morgan. That was about 7:15 this morning. That dissipated pretty quickly. And if you're beach-bound, you'll have no major weather problems. Yes, a few of these scattered storms about, but lots of sun each day down there through Sunday. Big trough in the west. Mountain snows. Some of the ski resorts could basically open up again in Utah here in the middle of June. But down here in the southeast, we have the ridge with a classic summer heat, humidity, and scattered storms. That was the radar at 247. Some of the bigger storms up around Weiss Lake in Cherokee County. Storms east and west of Birmingham, and some big ones down in parts of Perry County, down below Centerville and Brent. And they're not moving much. So they sit there, they rain very heavily, they rain themselves out, and new ones form on the outflow of the old ones. But you can see most of the state is dry. Temperatures mostly upper 80s and low 90s. Birmingham had cooled down to 84 thanks to the nearby rain showers. Up north, more severe weather, a tornado watch for parts of the Dakotas until 9 o'clock tonight. The organized severe weather risk well to the west and north of Alabama. Then tomorrow, slight risk over parts of the heartland, including almost all of Iowa. And on day 3, Friday, no formal risks, but we do have the 5% possibility of severe weather again across the middle of the nation. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. This carries us through Monday evening of next week, suggesting average amounts between 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch. But we all know one good summer downpour can bring 1 inch. And the tropical weather scene very quiet across the Atlantic basin. We'll check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. This is at 500 millibars. And again, little variations in temperatures aloft can make the difference between, thunderstorms of higher coverage or lower coverage. But it looks like the upper high will be centered maybe over southwest Alabama. And there's a chance the storms could be fewer in number tomorrow. It seems like the air aloft might be a little warmer. We had a little convergence zone at the surface today, so we think the storms will be widely spaced. Again, the high adder just over 90. Pretty much the same deal on Friday. Yes, there could be a storm, absolutely, but they'll be fairly widely separated. Highs 90 to 93 probably. Saturday, as we start the weekend, the upper high is moving southwest. It's centered over Lake Charles, Louisiana, and that might open the door for an increase in the number of showers and storms on Saturday afternoon. And again, it's not going to be a rainy day, but a storm or two, yes, a definite possibility. And the same thing on Sunday. A mixture of clouds and sunshine, scattered showers and storms. Highs for the weekend, probably 88 to 92. Monday of next week, same deal. This is Tuesday. Looks like the upper ridge weakening even more, so showers and storms becoming more numerous, highs dropping back into the upper 80s. And this is a week from today, Wednesday, June 25th. A nice trough just north of us beating down the ridge, and that would suggest almost scattered to numerous showers and storms by the middle of next week. And again, highs most likely in the upper 80s. We'll check the end of the forecast. Hey, the 4th of July, Independence Day. It looks like a ridge, 591 ridge right on top of us, and that would be pretty typical summer weather if that works out. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.